Warmly welcome you all to the inauguration ceremony of online course for capacity building of Korean language teachers in Sri Lanka. Today is a special day not only for NIE but also for the foreign language education system of our country.
පූජ්‍ය තෙරිපැහැ මේදාකර ස්වාමීන් වහන්සේට ජාතික අධ්‍යාපන ආයතනයේ අධ්‍යක්ෂ ජෙනරාල් ආචාර්ය සුනිල් ජයන්ත නවරත්න මැතිතුමාට His Excellency Mr. Jeong Won-jin, ගරු NHM චිත්‍රානන්ද මැතිතුමනි, Mr. Yona, the third secretary to the Embassy of Republic of Korea, Professor Ignacio, you are kindly invited to join the team. සුදත් සමරසිංහ මැතිතුමා ඇතුළු සියලුම නියෝජ්‍ය අධ්‍යක්ෂ ජෙනරාල්වරුන්ට ආචාර්ය මధుභාෂිනී දෙල්දෙණිය මහත්මියට ගෞරවයෙන් ආරාධනා කර සිටිනවා.
It is great pleasure for me to welcome you all to this inauguration ceremony. As I believe, today is a very special day for NI people, also for Korean language teachers. First of all, I offer my gratitude to the Embassy of Korea for extending full support for enhancement of Korean language education in Sri Lanka.
COVID-19 changes everything. We got a new Director General, Dr. Sunil Jayant Navaratna. Within very short period, rapidly changed the fixed mindset of the general education authorities and curriculum developers of the NI.
We want to introduce this online capacity building program of Korean language to our teachers. So we have altogether 80 teaching Korean language to the O-level students, but now we want to upgrade them to the A-level as A-level teachers. That is the main objective because now there is a huge demand for Korean language. So how are we going to learn from others and develop our nation to make our country a developed nation is the biggest challenge. At present, today our education system produces only theoretical. They learn, teacher goes and teach, and they write, jot down the notes and they write back in the exam.
그리고 추진 배경, 그리고 세부 운영안, 그리고 마지막으로
이야기 들리세요? 들리세요? 아, 네.
영주 좀 긴장도 되고
저는 한국어 강사
I would like to give many thanks to all of you who have made efforts to build and promote this wonderful program, especially to the Ministry of Education and the National Institute of Education. At this juncture, it is very, very meaningful to attend the inauguration ceremony of the online capacity building program for Korean language teachers in Sri Lanka. Congratulations!
It gives me a great pleasure to address this gathering because today is an important day to the National Institute of Education. This is the first time in the history, 34 history, that the NIE has organized 1 year online capacity building course for Korean language for our teachers.
Taking a step to commence a capacity building online course for Korean language teachers in collaboration with the Classical and Foreign Languages Unit for the first time in NIE's history.